Want to buy a home but don't want to deal with the higher interest rates? I get it. Hello everyone, it's Jorge Gonzalez with Team Data 8 and Keller Realty in Miami, Florida. Despite a lot of noise about the Federal Reserve lowering interest rates recently, the fact remains that mortgage rates are currently much higher than they were a few years ago, when receiving a 4% or a 3% rate was possible. However, there is a way to get a 4% rate even today. Assumable mortgages. Assuming someone else's mortgage at a lower rate can save you thousands over the course of your loan. But the process can be a little tricky. That's why today I'm sharing how you can assume someone's mortgage in 3 steps. Number 1. Have your agent find a list of potential mortgages. Your agent should have access to tax records and mortgage information that will allow them to find out which homeowners in an area purchased their house when rates were lower. They can create a list of mortgages in this area that you may want to assume. From there, you need to confirm that a seller's mortgage is actually assumable before going forward. For example, most VA mortgages are assumable, but not many conventional loans are. You also need to qualify for whatever loan you want to assume. So make sure you still work closely with your agent to ensure you have a list of quality leads. Number 2. Negotiate a deal that works for everyone. If a seller lets you assume their mortgage, they'll probably want something in return. As long as you're working with a good agent, this can work out for everyone. For example, your seller might ask for a higher price, but you'll still get that low 4% interest rate. This will end up saving you tons of money in the long run, so the upfront cost is almost always worth it. Number 3, be patient. It's exciting to find an assumable mortgage with a lower rate, but you still need to be patient. It can take 2, 3, or even 6 months for the assumption to go through, and your lender still needs to make sure you qualify before moving forward. For example, if you want to assume a VA mortgage, in some cases you may need to be a qualifying veteran, but not always. While finding an assumable loan with a lower interest rate can be tricky, it can end up saving you tons of money in the long run. If you're interested in this option, call or email me and I'll send you a list of potentially assumable mortgages in your area. I look forward to hearing from you, and again, thanks for watching the video. Take care.